Another day with new problems. Slow drains, trash room odors, cooling tower scaling, sewer lines with H₂S buildup, and your crew's short on time. Here's how we help. We'll show up, survey your site, and help find the root causes to your facility's problems, not just drop off a catalog. Then, we'll develop a program tailored to your building's specific needs, install the appropriate equipment, train your staff, and provide regular check-ins to ensure lasting results at your facility. And we return regularly to ensure you're satisfied. Service isn't an upsell, it's our guarantee. With hundreds of local representatives across the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico, we offer expert guidance and reliable, high-quality chemicals customized to your problems. From installing one of our simple chemical dilution systems to training your team on how to properly use our solutions. With automated dispensing systems that can add a pleasant fragrance or eliminate foul odors at your facility, to ensuring your facility is safe, clean, and compliant, we simplify your daily operation. We'll make sure you get what you need when you need it. We formulate and manufacture our products in-house with strategically placed distribution throughout North America to ensure you get your solution as quickly as possible. We ship over 90% of orders within 24 hours, so your facility isn't waiting around when there's a problem. Whether you operate in commercial, education, government, healthcare, or industrial spaces, our programs simplify your daily operations. Since 1911, this has been the job. You run the facility, we make it easier. One program, one building at a time.